got a new challenge. You know, it's a different feel in locker room. We expect to win. We have a real confidence. We take the field.
You bring up Starks right here is the swagger, the confidence from rookie year to the next. All kinds of room for Rodgers to throw, and he couldn't make it. 3rd and 4, and Fells is back into the game for the Broncos, and an interception. And a first down, run by Rodgers up the middle.
Come on. It'd be like Hitler playing golf with Netanyahu, okay?
Okay.
Not hardly.
You've had a lot of big days as a pro, a lot of highlights. Where does this day rank for you?
Probably the best. I think besides my first year in the big league, this is right up there. Just because my team needed every bit of it to win the game tonight.
We were not able to make the progress that we hoped we would make, and we were not able to continue the negotiations. Today we'll be, announcing the cancellation of the rest of the exhibition season, and by Monday we will have no choice but to cancel the first 2 weeks of the season.